By 2027, the largest battery in Britain will have 10 times the power of the current largest battery. Currently, 3 batteries, Dollyman's, Capenhurst and Claytie, have a rated power of 100 megawatts. But this record could be beaten 3 times before the end of the year by the Ferrybridge, Black Hillock and Thurrock batteries. The last of these is set to be 300 megawatts in capacity. But by 2027, the first 1 gigawatt batteries could be online, with Trafford, Thorpe Marsh and Teesside all in the pipeline. These batteries will be treated differently to smaller systems, however. Batteries above 300 megawatts in size face ramp rate restrictions, meaning they could see lower revenues per megawatt. Although batteries can ramp to full power almost instantly, large generators are restricted to ramping at 50 megawatts per minute to ensure grid stability. This means that over a 30-minute dispatch, a 1 gigawatt battery would only be able to discharge at full power for 2 minutes, with an average power of just 650 megawatts. Larger batteries will minimize revenue impacts by performing more infrequent but longer trades. Because of this, a 1 gigawatt battery may only earn 3% lower wholesale revenues than a 300 megawatt battery per megawatt. Big batteries could see their operations affected in other ways too. Individual large batteries could have the ability to change the power price, potentially reducing spreads. They may also be utilized differently in the balancing mechanism. To read more about how revenues scale with power, head to the article. I'll see you there.